let's see decimal multiplication. Here, normally to multiply a decimal number, we use it to take, if for this example is this, we will take this number as a number without point, so as 43, this is 27, then do multiplication, it's 21 to carry, 28 plus 2, 30, then 6, 8, so the summation of this gives 1161, then to insert the point, look at the number of decimal places in the factors. In this factor, this has decimal place, 1 decimal place. So the product should also have 1 decimal place. So we use it to put a point here. This is normal way. Let's see another way. Take the same number 4.3, write 4 here, point straight to this vertical column, write the point. Next 3, 27, it's a whole number, so take it as a decimal, 27 point. At the end, add the point at the end if it is a whole number. Next, multiply 3 2s are 6, 0, 6. When we write 6 here, write it as a 2-digit number. Next, 4 2s are 8, 0, 8. 3 7s are 21, 2 here, 1 here. 4 7s are 28. Next, to insert the point, look at the line which is straight to this vertical line, then straight to this horizontal line, where that intersects. So this block, put a point. So totally you can see here 4 blocks. This one block, this is one block, this is one block from here to here, then this block. So we will get 4 digits, and the point is here. So after this, there is 1 digit, and before this 1 digit here, this gives 1 digit, this block gives 1 digit. Let's see what are those. It's that add the numbers in each block and write it. So this block has only 1 digit, so 1. This block has 3 numbers, so add everything, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. Write 6 here and carry 1. Next, this block has 3 numbers, 0 plus 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So straight to this block, it's 1, carry 1. Next, in this block has only 0, so 0 plus 1, 1. So the answer of this 4.3 into 27, as we did like this way, we got the same answer, 116.1. So this is an alternate way of doing decimal multiplication. Let's solve for other example here. 6.4, the product of 6.4 and 2.8. Let's see what is that. So to do the multiplication, take 6.4 as 6 here, point straight to this, write it, then 4, then 2.8, 2 here, straight to the horizontal line, point, then 8. Multiply that, 4 2s are 8, so 0, 8. 6 2s are 12, 1 here, 2 here. 4 8s are 32, 6 8s are 48. Then the point, where the point should come means is straight to this, the vertical line, and this horizontal line means no, there. Straight, the intersection point straight to this. So after this block. So in between these, the point should be between this 2 block and this 2 block, because it's the intersection point is here. So straight to this point, put the point. Next, this block has only 1 digit, so 2. This block has 3 digits, 8, 3, 8. Summation of this is 19. 8 plus 3 plus 8, 19. So 9, carry 1. Then this block, 0 plus 2 plus 4, it's 6 plus 1, 7. Then this has only 1, so 1. So the product of this is 17.92. What's the product of this? To find out that, here it's 4.36, so 4.376. Then it's 2.35, so point straight to the horizontal line. Next it's 3, then it's 5. Then let's divide this each square into 2 parts. This is done because when we write the answer, the product of the numbers, we will use 2 digits. So that's why we are dividing each square into two parts. Now let's start the multiplication. 6 2s are 12, so 12. 7 2s are 14, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Then 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, 3 5s are 15, then 4 5s are 20. After this, let's do the addition. In this block only one number, so the answer is 0. And here we have three numbers, 8, 3, 5. So 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 5 is 16. Carry 1. In this block we have 5 numbers, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 1, it's 13. Carry again 1. Then 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 9, 16, 16 plus 1, 17. Again plus 1, it's 18. Carry 1. Next, this block 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, plus 1, it's 12. Carry, again 1. Next, 0 plus 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, it's 10. So put 0 and then again carry 1. Next, in this block we have only 0. So let's take on the carry 1 here. Now, the point. Where the decimal point should come in, see straight to this point, draw the vertical line. And here to this point, a horizontal line. By this intersection, move on. So here is the point. This intersection point, here is the point. So the answer is 10.28360. Let's write the product. It's 10.28360. So the point is where this vertical and the horizontal intersects by this law. Here is the point. Let's solve the problem which is at the start end. It is 4.3 multiplied by 27. Product of this is 116.1. So let's move down. Next problem is 6.4 multiplied by 2.8 and the answer is 17.92. So move across. Next, 0.356 multiplied by 1.2. Answer 0.4272. So move diagonal. 4.376 multiplied by 2.35, answer 10.2836. So move across. Next problem 1.25 multiplied by 3.5, answer 4.375. So move down and that's the end point. Try this with your friend or with your children and check who reaches the end point first. They are the winner.